In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Edge Seek. With Edge Seek, you can do things like increase your brightness and your volume just by sliding the side of your phone. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can easily install it if you haven't yet. After installing it, you tap Launch. This should show up. It is the tutorial page. You tap Next, and then you enable all these options. So I'll tap this one. I'll look for the app, and this is it over here, Edge Seek. I'll enable it, go back, enable this one, tap here, go back again, and finally enable this and tap Allow. After that, I'll tap Next. So there are a few presets you get. To start, I'll recommend you to select this one, Standard. Then, if I tap Show All, you'll see the bars on the edges. If I tap Standard Centered, and then Show All, you'll see the bars at the middle of the edges, and the other ones are here. So for me, I like this one, and I'll tap Show. If you want, you can show the bars, but I don't like it when the bars are being displayed, so I'll tap Hide All. So select this one and then Hide All and Next. So it says you're done. Tap Next. The way I use this app, the right side is for adjusting brightness, and the left side, I normally don't even use the left side, but if I want, I can set it to increase or decrease my volume. So what I'll do now is tap Edges. It's going to show me the edges that are currently activated. I'll tap on the right one, and if I tap here, I can decide what the right side will do. So I want it to control my brightness. Also, before I do anything, I want to change this to light mode. White. I don't like that color. Okay, so now if I tap on edges and then I tap the right one, I can decide that I want it to just control brightness. But if you want, you can make it control your alarm, your music, ring and system. To me, they are basically the same thing. So whichever one you go for, it will only increase or decrease your ringtone. So I'll tap control brightness. And now if I swipe over here, you can see that my screen is now dark. And if I swipe up, it is bright. So it's an easy way to access your brightness. And as you do it, you can see the number here being adjusted. So now it is at, let's say 90. If you don't want this number, you can scroll down and disable this one. So all these options over here are things you can do by just interacting with the right edge of your screen. But I'll not recommend going through all of them unless you know what you're doing. For me, I'll recommend just sticking to this one. Okay, so we are done with the right side. Now we can go back to the left one. Normally, I do not activate this one. So if I want, I can deactivate it from here. But if you also want, you can use it to control your volume, like your music volume. So with it selected and with it activated, if I swipe this way, you can see down here that the volume is being adjusted. But if you swipe down and enable this one, system panel, well, if I swipe this way, you can see my volume being adjusted as I go up and down. Alright, so like I said, I don't like using the left side to do anything, so I'll deactivate it from here. Now if I go back, you can see that just the right side is activated. So I'm going to exit the app. So this is the app. I'm going to open it, and this is what you should see. If you want to disable the app completely, you can tap or disable this one. From here, you can customize the edges. So if you want to use the top or bottom, I've never used the top or bottom. I've only used the left and the right ones. So if you want, from here, you can choose the one you want to work with and activate it and decide how it should work. These two should be enabled. And I think that's basically all. So if you go to presets, you can decide if you want the bars to show or stay hidden. And you can tap on all of these ones to see what they will look like. So for me, I'll go with this one. Alright, so that's how you use the app. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.